Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my an update for the Someday You'll Find It, the Perfect collection, and the new things I'm rolling in. Let's go over what I finished so far. Let's see, I finished for Gonzo was for January. I finished Moshino Funny perfume. It was a little mini. The Dolce & Gabbana light blue, another mini. Bulgari, the blue one, that was a mini. And I finished the Pretties for Your Face lip scrub and cotton candy, but I still have the ColourPop banana daiquiri shadow floating around here somewhere. For Miss Piggy, I finished all of hers. They are all sample perfumes. Viktor and Rolf flowerbomb, Dior Miss Dior, Victoria's Secret Oh So Sexy, Tom Ford Orchid Soleil, and Lancome La Vie Belle. For March, Kermit and I picked Kermit and Emmett Otter. I've only finished two out of there, which was Tocca Florence and La Vida Loca, which was a dupe for Viva La Juicy. For April, which was Grover, I finished another sample of Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I finished the Plumeria Rollerball, Victoria's Secret Dream little sample, and the Zainey Laney Signature Scent Sample, not sampler. For May, that was Pick a Fraggle, and I picked Moki. I finished 2 out of the 5 there. I finished Tocca Collette and Victoria's Secret Love Spell. For June, that was Ernie. I didn't finish anything so far, but I'm close to finishing Tocca Stella. And for July, which is what I'm rolling in, is this from Zainey Laney. This is Butterscotch Brew. That's based on Harry Potter and the Butterbeer. That's just a little sampler. Oh, July I picked Big Bird, so everything's yellow. Yeah. Anyway, this is English Laundry number 7. Victoria's Secret Coconut Passion. Michael Kors Gold Luxe Edition. And Tocca Liliana. I know my project, like I've said before, is perfume heavy, but I seem to go through little mini perfumes faster than I do makeup. So that's why I keep throwing perfumes in, because I keep finishing them up sooner. So anyway, that is my update for my Someday I'll Find It, the Perfect collection. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Oh, this is also a Geeks and Beauties collab, so check out the lovely ladies listed below to check out their progress and see what they've been, what they're rolling in this month. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.